Purchase up, purchase return down, sales down, sales return up. Remember these logics. Whatever is there in the question, just you had a word called being. That is only your narration. Now, for that particular name, whether it is a sales return or whether it is a purchase return, you need to find out. Opened a bank account with SBI. If you want to open a bank account, you have to pay cash. Cash will be down. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 6 of your topic called accounting. Under accounting, we are doing journal entries. Now, in the previous session, almost you learned what is journal entries, and the 5 logics I explained you in your previous journal entries, our previous session. Now, in today also I explain you again, but if you have not seen the last session, please go back, watch and come back to this session. So what will be your agenda? Your agenda will be very simple, journal entries. So this will be your question. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Measures Beauty Traders 2017. Now, started business with cash 2 lakh, paid into, always I told you, the first entry will be what? Regarding capital. Now, capital always up or down? It is always down. Now, paid into bank to open a current account 1 lakh. Purchased a computer, paid by check 25. Wherever you find the word check, you have to replace with what? Bank. Next. Bought goods from Ritika on credit 60,000. Sold goods to Karishma on credit 25,000. Cash paid to Mansi on credit 30,000. Wherever the credit comes, the word cash will not come. You have to use what? If cash word is not there, the replacement will be name of the person. Next. Goods returned to Ritika. This is your 6th logic. Up to 5 I explained you. 6th one I'll explain you today. Stationery purchase for cash 3,000. Goods returned by Karishma 2,000. Insurance premium paid by check 4,000. Check received from Karishma 8,000. And rent paid by check rupees how much? 3,000. So this will be your question, as well as according to that you have to prepare your journal entries. Now, before we go to your journal entries, so you have December 1st, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 9th, yeah, fine. So these are the journal entries. Just we have a recap, or else we have just recall our logics. So logics are very simple. The first logic will be what? First logic will be cash or bank received, it is always up. Cash or bank paid, it is always down. This will be your first logic. The second one, sales always down. Third one, purchase always up. Fourth one, capital always down. Your drawings always up. So actually this is your third one, this is your fourth as well as fifth. So these are the informations you have, and your fifth one is cash or bank not received. Then what we'll do? We will use name. So these are the 5 logic I explained you in your previous class. Now, what will be the 6th one? Remember, sales return and purchase return. Sales return and purchase return. Remember, sales always comes down, but sales return always comes up. Purchases always comes up, but purchase return always comes down. Reverse. Clear? So these are the logics you need to remember. So total we have 6 logics so that we can solve any number of problems. Purchase up, purchase return down, sales down, sales return up. Remember these logics. So this is your first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this will be your sixth one. Please take a screenshot so that it will be easy for passing journal entries for every problem. Now we'll solve one complete journal entry. So before I tell the answer, you only try to solve everything. Now, first one. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Measures Beauty Traders. Started business, paid into bank, purchase, bought, sold, cash, goods, stationery, goods, insurance, check, received, and the last one is rent. We'll go for the first one. Started business with cash. What is the date? So it will be December 1st. Always first entry will be what? Capital. Capital always what? Down. So December 1st, cash account data to capital 2 lakh. December 1st. So December 1st, what we have? Cash to capital. Your first one, cash account data to capital account. So what will be the amount? I'll go back to that. Your amount is 2 lakh. So this will be 2 lakh as well as 2 lakh. Any doubt? No. Now in this problem we will solve description also. How to write description? We don't call it as description, we call it as narration. Narrating what you have written. Very simple. What is the question now? Started business with cash. Similarly, you have to add prefix like being started business with cash. This is all about your journal entry number 1. Narrations are very simple. Whatever is there in the question, just you had a word called being. That is only your narration. Now, December 3rd, paid into bank. You are receiving or paying. You are paying. Cash should be down. Paid into bank to open a current account. You are receiving or paying. You are paying. Cash should be down. Where you are paying? You are paying to bank. Very simple. Bank account data to cash. It is 1 lakh. December 3rd. So it will be bank account data to cash account. What is the amount given? 1 lakh. The amount is 1 lakh as well as 1 lakh. Narration: being paid into bank. So whatever given in the question, same thing I copied and pasted, paid into bank. Clear? Yes. Your 2 journal entries are over. We'll go for the third one. Your third one is very simple. Your second one over. Third one, purchased a computer and paid by check. Check means what? Bank. You're receiving or paying? You're paying. Why? Because if you're purchasing means you're paying. Remember, don't use the word called purchase because you have specifically given computer purchased. Computer account data to bank account. What is the amount? 25,000. Now, December 5th, computer account data to bank account. So, what is the value? The value is 25,000. So, 25,000 and 25,000. Any doubt up to this? Hopefully, there is no doubt up to this. Computer to bank. What will be your narration? Simple. Being purchased a computer and paid by check. That's it. That will be your narration. Now, we'll go for the fourth one. Bought goods from Ritika on credit. Is there anywhere mentioned cash or bank? No. If it is not mentioned, what we should do? We should use name. Now, bought means what? Purchase. Purchase always what? Up. Purchase account data to Ritika 60,000. Now, your December 6th purchase account data to Ritika account. What is the amount? Amount is 60,000. Now, this will be 60,000 and 60,000. I am not writing narration. You know how to write this. Easy. So, what will be the narration? Being bought goods from Ritika on credit. That's it. Clear? Yes, this is done. Next, we'll come to December 9th. December 9th, sold goods to Karishma on credit. Sold means what? Sales. Sales always up or down? Sales always down. So, sold goods to Karishma. We'll go for that. Now, so what is the date? Sold goods to Karishma, it is on 9th and amount is 25,000. In this, December 9th, Karishma account data to cash is not given. So what will happen? Sales. Sales account. What is the amount? The amount is 25,000. Now, it will be 25,000 and 25,000. Any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? Hopefully, there is no doubt. So, narration will be what? So, being sold goods to Karishma on credit. That will be your narration. Now, we'll go for next one, your December 12th. Cash paid to Mansi on credit, rupees 30,000. Cash paid to Mansi on credit. Now, cash paid to Mansi, this credit word will not, credit means it is nothing but you have given loan. Now, cash paid to whom? Mansi. You are receiving cash or paying cash? You are paying cash. Cash should be what? Down. To whom you are paying? Mansi. Mansi should be up. Mansi account data to cash account. Why you are giving to Mansi? As a loan. Mansi loan account data to cash account. What is the amount? December 12th, the amount is 30,000. So, December 12th, this will be December 12th. The answer must be Mansi loan account data to cash account. How much loan given? The loan is 30,000. We should write 30,000. Now, this must be 30,000. Up to this, any doubt? Hopefully, up to this, there is no doubt. We'll go for the next one. So, up to December 12th, we completed. Now, what is the next one? The next one is December 14th. goods returned to Ritika. Now, return means what? It may be sales return, it may be purchase return. How to find out it is a sales or purchase? Very simple. Now, goods returned to Ritika. Now, find out, is there any transaction with Ritika? Yes. Bought goods. Bought goods from Ritika means that was purchase. Now, it is return means purchase return. Hope you understood. Now, if you find any word called return, then go back. Ritika, is there any transaction with Ritika? Yes, there is a transaction. Bought goods means this must be purchase return. If sold goods means it must be sales return. Now it is what? Goods return means this must be purchase return. Because already she was purchased, now it is returning. Now, so it is nothing but your 2000 purchase return. What will happen? Up or down? I'll go back to your logic. Purchase return always down. Purchase return always down. By whom we are doing this? With Ritika. Ritika account data to purchase return. If purchase is up, purchase return always down. Sales is down, sales return always up. Similarly, go for that logic. This will be purchase return. It must be down. So, Ritika account data to purchase return account. What is the amount? 2000. December 14th. Now, December 14th, Ritika account data to purchase return account. Amount is very simple. This is 2000 and this side 2000. This is done. 2000 as well as 2000. Any doubt up to this? What will be your narration? I'll go back to your question. As per the question, being goods returned to Ritika. That's it. Clear. Narration, need not to scratch your head. It is very simple. Whatever given in the question, before that it is like a prefix. You have to add the word called being. Next. Stationery purchased for cash. Stationery purchased for cash. Now, stationery purchased for cash. Now, you are receiving or paying. You are paying. Why? Because wherever purchases comes, you are paying cash. If you want to purchase means you should pay cash. So, you are paying cash here. Now, it is very simple. Stationery purchase for cash. It is nothing but cash is down. What you are purchasing? Stationery. Stationery is up, cash is down. Stationery account data to cash account. Now, so what is the date? The date is 15th December. Amount is 3000. Date December 15th. So, stationery account data to cash account. Amount is 3000 and 3000. Narration will be what? Being stationery purchase for cash. Now, so this is all about your journal entry up to December 15th. We'll go for next one. Next one is what? Next is goods returned by Karishma. So what logic I told you? If anything is returned, what you should do? The first thing is you have to find Karishma. Is there any transaction with Karishma? We'll go back. Is there anything? So yes, sold goods to Karishma. Sold means what? Sales. It must be what? Sales return. Easy? Yes. So is there anything which is returned word means you have to go back, you have to find that particular name. For that particular name, whether it is a sales return or whether it is a purchase return, you need to find out. As per this, it is sales return. Now, goods returned by Karishma means it must be sales return. Now, goods returned by Karishma, sales return. Sales return always what? I'll go back to logic. Sales return always up. Remember, sales return always up. Now, so sales return account data to Karishma account rupees is 2000. So December 18th, sales return account data to Karishma account. Amount is how much? 2000 and 2000. Up to this, any doubt? No doubt? Yes. Now we'll go for the next one. So next one is what? Another 3 more entries to go in this. Next we have December 24th. Insurance premium paid by check. You are receiving or paying? You are paying. Paid by cash or check? You are paid by check. Check will be replaced with bank. Bank should be down. Why? Because you are paying. Now, you are paying for what reason? Insurance premium. Insurance premium account data to bank account. You cannot write insurance premium to check. Instead of check, we call it as bank. Insurance premium to bank, rupees 4000. Date is December 24th. Now, it will be December 24th. Insurance premium account data to bank account. Why it is bank means we have used word called check. That's why it is bank. So how much it is? Your amount is 4000. 4000 and 4000. What will be your narration? Being insurance premium paid by check. That will be your narration. Now, this is also done. Now, we'll come back to your next one. Next one, 26th December. Now, check received from Karishma. Now, from Karishma, you have collected check. So, it is nothing but received. Received means what? It should be, check will be up. But do we call it as check? No. We call it as what? Bank. We call it as bank. Now, bank account data to Karishma account. What is the amount? It is December 26. The amount is 8000. So, December 26. So, you have received, that's why bank account data to Karishma account. So, amount is how much? It is 8000 as well as 8000. Narration, what you should write? Being check received from Karishma. I am not writing any narrations here because I don't have enough space. But in your examination, narrations are must. Without narration, if you write, if it is 15 marks, you may get hardly 10 or 11 marks. Without narration, you will lose marks. Narration is nothing, very simple. Just you need to copy your question. Now, we'll go for the last entry for the day. Your last entry will be very simple. December 28th. Rent paid by check. You are receiving or paying? You are paying. Cash should be down. Whether you are paying by cash or check? Check. Check we call it as bank. Bank should be down. And for what reason you are paying? Rent. Rent account data to bank account. What is the amount? 3000. Now, this will be your December 28. Now, rent account data to paid by check means it must be what? Bank account. So, how much rent you paid? How much rent you paid? We'll check. The rent paid by check is rupees 3000. So, it must be 3000. 3,000. So what is your end? 3,000. Up to this, any doubt? Hopefully, up to this, you don't have any doubt. Just I'll go back, I'll show you all these slides so that you will understand better. So this will be your agenda. These are your questions. Journal entry for first 3. Journal entry for next 3. Journal entries for next 3. And these are the journal entries for last 3. As I told you, narrations I have not written, but you have to write narrations for everything. Hope you understood. We'll go for the next one. So journalize the following transaction: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many entries you have? You have 6 journal entries. Now, I'll not do this problem. This will be homework for you. This will be homework for you. Now, but I can explain you. I'll explain you these things, but you have to do on your own. So just in a small font RS, in a brief I write down the answer, but in your book you have to write completely. I'll give you just hint, but you have to write. Now, first one is what? Jan 1st. Business started with cash. What will be the entry? Jan 1st. Started with cash means what? Cash account data to capital. So this will be your first one. Second one. So there is a homework for you. You should only do. Second one. Opened a bank account with SBI. If you want to open a bank account, you have to pay cash. Cash should be down. To whom you are paying? SBI Bank. January 8th. So this will be January 8th. This will be bank. SBI Bank to cash. This will be your second one. As I told you, this will be your shortcut hint. You have to solve this. Next. Goods purchased on credit. Credit means you should use name. Mohan. Purchase is always up. So Mohan is down. Purchase to Mohan. January 10th. Purchase to Mohan. All 3 journal entries are done. Amount and everything, narrations, everything you should only write. Next. 20th sold goods to Madan. Again, there is a word credit. There is no cash. So sales always down. So Madan account data to sales January 20th. So Jan 20th, Madan account data to sales. It is also over. Next will be 25th January. What will be your answer? Cash paid to Mohan. You are receiving or paying? You are paying. Cash should be down. What will be up? Mohan to cash. 20,000. January 25th. Mohan to cash. So filling amount and all, you know better. Now I'll go for the last one. Salary paid in cash. You are receiving or paying? You are paying. Cash should be down. For what reason you are paying? Salary purpose. Salary account data to cash account. How much it is? 6,000. January 31st. January 31st. Salary account data to cash account. Done. So these are your journal entries. This will be our question. Hint for your first 3 journal entries. Hint for your next 2 journal entries. Hint for your last journal entry. Now, this is all about your today's session. We solved 2 journal entries. One will be done by me and second one, it will be done by you. Clear? Yes, we're done with your journal entries. In the next sessions, we try to go for ledger account. Same journal entry, it is an extension of journal entry. I'll explain you what is ledger. Thank you.